Hey guys, what's up? This is gonna be my video on what's on my iPhone Jailbreak edition. Now this will basically be showcasing all of the best Cydia tweaks that I have on my device, also all of the best themes that I have on my device as well. Basically a overview of all of the Cydia packages that I currently have installed on my device. Now all of these Cydia tweaks and applications that I list in this video are paid, and I will also be listing them in the description. Now the first one would be Barrel. Now what Barrel basically allows you to do is it allows you to have custom page animations when you change the page of your device. So now when you slide to the next page, you do see that your icons do curl and then they roll away into the next page. Now, this by far is one of the best page animations on Barrel. Now, when you open up the settings of Barrel, you do have many settings for Barrel. Now, you just simply tap on mode in Barrel and then you see that there is a lot of effects to choose from. Now that one was curl and roll away, which is a very simple one, but yet it is the best animation out of all of them. Now you also can have cube outside, which when you activate that one, it is like an outside of the cube and it is a 3D like cube right there. And also there is many updates coming to Barrel. Anytime it updates, it adds more animations inside the actual Barrel app. Now, another one would be Carousel. Now, Carousel is also one of the best animations for it. So it just basically moves to the next page, enlarging the actual main icons right there, and then it goes to the next page. Now, as you animate through the pages, it is very nice and is definitely one of the best page animations. Now, the next Cydia package in this video is Bytefont. Now, Bytefont is one of the best Cydia packages because it basically allows you to have a font swap alternative on iOS 4 and above. Now, by using Bytefont, you can basically change all of the system fonts that you see on your device. So now at the home screen, you can see that all of the icon labels are changed into a different font. Now, this font is a very simple font, but it clearly shows that Bytefont actually changes them. So now when you open up settings, you can see that the text is completely changed. So every place that you see text on your device, it will be completely changed. And now, and this will be the font on your device. Now, you can easily download this from Cydia, and you can also download a Bytefont font pack with this, so you could get custom fonts with Bytefont. Now, the next Cydia tweak in this video is Gravity Board. Now, Gravity Board is a very simple Cydia tweak, but it isn't useful in any way. So to activate Gravity Board, you can choose different activations, but for Gravity Board, I chose to activate tapping on the actual status bar and holding the status bar. So once you tap and hold on the status bar, you can see that there's a downwards arrow right there, and then you can move your icons around the actual home screen. Now this is actually very cool and it isn't useful in any way, although you still can launch your applications from your home screen. So for example, launching the settings application will actually launch them and then it'll go to the actual app that you launched. Now it also does include a settings extension. So now when you tap on Gravity Board right there, you do have activation methods right there. Allow launching apps, close on home button, include dock, show HUD, icon settings, finger mode, and gravity. Now you can change the gravitation levels, and it is very simple. Now with different gravity, the icons will react differently. Now also you do have a activation method tab right here. Now from here you can choose all the activation methods for the actual Cydia tweak, so you can enable it from your home screen. Now the next one in this video is G Power Pro. Now G Power Pro is a very simple Cydia tweak, although it does have some usability. So now to activate G Power Pro, you simply tap and hold on the actual sleep wake button. So now once you tap and hold on the sleep wake button, you can see it does say slide to power off, slide to reboot, and slide to respring. Now, you don't only see slide to power off, it also does add slide to reboot and slide to respring. So from here, you can simply use the slider to slide to reboot and slide to respring. Now, it is a very simple Cydia tweak, but it can be very usable depending on how you use your device. Now, the next Cydia tweak in this video is Infinity Folders. Now, basically what Infinity Folders allows you to do is it allows you to add an unlimited amount of icons within one folder, and it also does add the vertical scrolling ability, so you can vertically scroll through your folders and have an unlimited amount of icons within one folder. Now, this is a very simple Cydia tweak, and it is easy to use, although it will only be used, for example, the Settings app. So once you tap on it, you will see that the actual lock is now red, so that means that it is locked. So now by tapping on the settings, you will now have to enter a password anytime you launch an app. So the default password is password. So now once you type in password and then you press launch, you can now launch the app, and it is integrated seamlessly. So now you can enter into the Loctopus app right there. So now once you go into the settings extension of Loctopus, you do get the option to change the password, and also if you forgot your password right there. So now you can tap on the change password button right there, and now once you tap on it, you do get the ability to change the password right there. So now it is very simple, and now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Multi-flow. Now, multi-flow offers a very simple user interface. So now once you choose your activation method, you do get your actual cards multitasking feature. So now you'd have a different multitasking interface. So then if you want to open up the settings app right there, it'll go to the settings app and then it'll open it. Now, you also can change many options within multi-flow. So you do get activation methods, switcher style, rearrangeable tabs, tap on black closes, wallpaper style, and many more. Now, by going into activation methods, you can choose the activation methods for your device, and it is very simple to choose them. Now, after that, you can go into the switcher style, and you do get the expose, switcher style, and the cards. Now, going into the expose, switcher style, and launching multi-flow, you do get the array of pages within the multitasking user interface, and it does look much like the expose multitasking on Mac OS X. So now the next Cydia tweak in this video is multi-icon mover. Multi-icon mover, what you'll do is simply put your icons into wiggle mode. Now, once you put your icons into wiggle mode, what you'll do is tap on the right of an icon right there, and then you'll see a check mark right there. And now you can choose a page that you want to move the icon to. For example, this page. So you just tap on the home button, and it will and then it will place the icon right there. Now, this just basically allows you to have move multiple icons at once rather than just one icon when you are moving or rearranging your icons. Now, the next Cydia tweak in this video is scrolling board. Now, scrolling board is very simple but very useful at the same time. So now when you scroll through the dock, you can actually scroll through your dock, and you do get your iPod controls, and there also is a Cydia extension which allows you to have your SB settings in your scrolling board dock. So now once you scroll over again, you do get your volume control right there, so you can change your volume from there, and you also do get an AirPlay button right there, and you do get your iPod controls right there along with your screen orientation lock. Now, this is a very simple Cydia tweak so this also allows you to have an unlimited amount of icons within one folder, and it is very simple. And also you can scroll vertically through the folders, which is much like Infinity Folders. Now, this is also made by the same developer of Mask and SB Rotator for 4.0 and above. Now, the next Cydia tweak in this video is Springtomize. So now once you open up Springtomize settings, you'll go into the Springtomize settings extension, and then once you tap on it, you do get many sections which allows you to theme every part of your device to the most granular point. Now, once you go into general, you do get your general options to theme. Now you can easily disable this screen flash, disable spotlight, disable web search, hide page dots, disable pagings, and you can choose your power alert for an activation. You could choose a activation method of the power alert, which is very simple, and it basically allows you to theme every single part of your device, and it basically compiles many tweaks into one with this Cydia tweak. The next Cydia app in this video is MyY. Now what MyY basically allows you to do is it offers, so now once you open up MyY, 4.0 on demand allows you to do is it allows you to tether your device. So you can use your 3G network connection and make it into a Wi-Fi hotspot, which you can tether multiple devices including laptops, iDevices, and also other. So now at the top you do get the home button, the Wi-Fi tethering button, the USB tethering button, and also the Bluetooth tethering button. Now also does show the Bluetooth tethering right there. Bluetooth tethering, it basically allows you to tether your device using Bluetooth, which is very simple. So now when you go back to the home, you have a so you do have the status right there, and it shows Wi-Fi tethering, USB tethering, and Bluetooth tethering, and it also shows you the best way to connect. So it basically, and also it does show the Bluetooth tethering, which you can use your Bluetooth to tether to a basically a hotspot, or to you can use your Bluetooth to make a Bluetooth connection with another device by use. Also shows the best ways to tether, including the fastest setup is Wi-Fi hotspot, the fastest connection is the USB tethering, and the least amount of battery used is the Bluetooth. So that is very simple, and that is what MyY allows you to do. Now the next Cydia tweak in this video is Switcher Plus. Now Switcher Plus is very simple, and by locking your device you can easily access this Cydia tweak. So now once you tap on the home button and you double tap on your multitasking, you do get all your apps that you're multitasking, and you can easily slide to the left for your multitasking controls. And you can easily once you tap on an icon, you can go into an app. So for example, tapping on the MyY icon, it will take you straight to the MyY app, which is very simple, and it could be useful depending on how you use your device, and you can use it instead of sliding to unlock. So thank you. So also the theme that I am using in this video is Argon HD. Now this theme offers lots of theming on your device. It themes your phone, keyboard, it also does have custom loading screens, and the icons are very nice. It also does have a springboard weather widget and also an animated lock screen for the home screen, and it is a very nice theme, and it definitely is a must-have. So thank you for watching this video on what's on my iPhone, showcasing all the best Cydia tweaks, Cydia app, best theme. So please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/applecritics, and also at replyme for asking all of the jailbreak questions, and I'll quickly be able to answer them. And leave a comment down below on what you think of this video. Please be sure to like this video, and thanks for watching.